Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something that you've most probably already heard of. The new Spider-Man movie, Brand New Day. I have been waiting so long for this. I mean, before this I wasn't all that into Spider-Man, but lately I've been getting so much into Spider-Man that I've literally been frothing at the mouth for this movie. So when it came out, I was so excited and so happy that one of my friends decided to have her birthday party in a theater watching this movie. And it was so good. I would give it at least 4 out of 5 stars, which is only because of the plot, which was kind of atypical. But otherwise, the movie was so good. You really need to watch it. It was an experience about Peter being depressed and everything. It was really a journey for him and for us. So, let me tell you a little bit about the movie. It starts basically with Peter remembering everything about the last movie, Zendaya, the actor, which is MJ, and his best friend Ned, forgetting him. So, which is we basically begin right off the bat there. Maybe it's been about a year or two from what I can tell in the movie, but basically he's getting tired of the same routine over and over again. So he's basically just getting bored at this point and becoming even more depressed, which is basically the whole entire plot of the movie, until some different things happen, which I can't tell you, which would be spoiling the movie. So I really want you to watch the movie for that. So some of the things are quite surprising and really nice to watch because the movie's effects are so amazing. It was so incredible. Otherwise, the main plot of the movie about the villain was a little typical, which is why I removed zero point 0.5 from the review. Otherwise, the movie was quite amazing. I feel like you can already tell from the trailer how good it really was. We even had the Hulk in it and everything, a new villain, which was amazing since we haven't been getting that a lot. In the last movie, we only had villains which were already in the comics or stuff like that. So I was really excited for this new villain that we had never seen before, and her powers were really, really interesting. Especially since the new villain was Sadie Sink, which I was so happy about. Since personally I love Stranger Things, and her acting in that was amazing. So I was really excited for her to be in this movie, and I was not disappointed by it. So this is definitely a movie you should give a watch. Thank you for watching. 4.5, and I think you could rate it higher if you like the plot. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.